Alright, see if this works. You'll notice on the top line it says 44143. It says it again on the second, again on the third, and then the fourth line says 12322, and the fifth line's the same. So there's only two animals, two screens of each choice. Over here in the blue screen, you'll see the top line is the same as the bottom line to the left. 123, 123, and then the 441 is the same as that. The very bottom, you see 21431. I just filled that in. So you're going to just replace this whole blue box. So you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to get, say you get the 1. Well, you get a 4. Then I got the circular reference warning. Ignore it. It's got to figure it out. You got to fill in the box. You might get that again, maybe not. The best thing to do is just delete this whole frickin' box. Tough to do. Delete the whole box, all the data in it, then just go through. So we play 1, and then we get a 2, and then we get a 1, then we get a 2, and we get a 2. There we are. So I just played it normal, and that's what I got. Now, I can then look down here and say, well, when there's a 4 first, down here, that means it's going to be a 4, 4, 1, 4, 3 across. So I can just go ahead, because I already know that pattern. 4, 1, 4, 3. This line, oops, there we go. 4, 4, 1, 4, 3, because I knew the 4. I knew this 4 right here. And I know that whole horizontal line ends that way, so I filled it in. Now, notice the 1 here, same as that one. So that's going to be a 4, that's going to be a 3, that's going to be a 4, that's going to be a 4. So I'll fill them in quick. This is just after playing that first game to finish getting these goddamn patterns. Alright, now nothing else is similar, so we're good. So the next time I play, I'm going to play with 2 first. Well, I already know it's a 4. Then I'm going to get this. I know it's not going to be a 1. Oh, wait, coming down here. Now, also, when I have 2 in the second spot, I know it's a 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. So, I can fill that in as a 1. That is a 3. That is a 2. And that is a 2. Guess what? Now I know all the rest of these. Funny. 1, excuse me, that's a 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. All right. Just so happens that just making up an example, I got the exact same frickin' screen combinations as the day before. So we didn't learn anything. It's the same damn screens. When I did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I just picked random numbers and fuck, I picked out exactly what we had. So let's just pretend when I played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this fifth screen, let's just delete all this stuff across the bottom. This fifth screen was not a 2, not a 3, it was a 1. I don't know what the others are yet. So you're going to have to play 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and get this, and this is going to be a 2 or a 3. Then you're going to play 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and that's going to be a 1 or a 3. Then you're going to play 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, or 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be a 2 or a 4. And this last one's going to be a 1 or a 3. Now the formula is set, and we'll go back here and fill in what we played as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, it would be 4, 2, 1, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1, 2, 1. You'll see in the blue I have 3 different lines. I have a 4 line, I have a 1 line, and I have a 2 line. That's what we need. And it calculates it all down in here. It pulls out of here, does here, and sends it over here. Good luck. Again, just delete this graph, fill it in, and as you play, you can use these numbers down here to fill in the horizontal lines. But we're just looking for a third line we haven't seen yet. We've seen the ones that start with a 4, we've seen the ones that start with a 1. I need one that starts with a 2 or a 3. And it will go across, and we'll have different numbers in these. 3 out of 4 is all we need. Again, if you end up getting the 2 lines that we don't have here, so that whole grid up here is filled out with lines that start with a 2 and lines that start with a 3, Just change any one of them to a line that starts with a 1 or a line that starts with a 4. That'll give us 75% of the data, which will fill in here and make this work. Ha!